Do you want to see something really, really, really funny? Watch this. This is my new puppy Teddy. You're gonna crack up when you see this. This is Metalhead, my substitute puppy before I got him. Dang it! One sec. Look at that, he's just so confused. Come on, Rocky. Look at him. Oh, now he's knocking everything over. Oh, look at that. He's got his behind his mouth.